Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your home girl Samira Z fashion YouTube channel. So today we are drafting our corset with our pattern paper. So the corset is going to have off shoulder and is a blouse. So I want us to cut and sew it together. So click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. Please subscribe now. You can comment, share my video with your friends, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video to learn. So sit back and enjoy this video. Watch it to the end.
Welcome to my channel. So today you can see that I've done the diagram of this concept that we want to make. So it's an off-shoulder concept, as you can see it. So what I'm doing there is that I've removed the off-shoulder sleeve. That is what I got there is 6. So I take away 6 from it. So the half length there is 15, while the shoulder is while the nipple to nipple point is 9, the underbust is 11. So that's what I done there. So what I'm doing there, I'm just writing the names. So that one is under the bust, that is the nipple line, and the end one is the waistline. So that is the waistline there. So as you can see, I've done the diagram, but I will explain what I've just did there. So I'm starting with the nipple to nipple. What I marked there is 3.5, and I've given it the straight line there. So that is the middle line, that is the straight line. So after having the straight line, you now start, what I'm just putting there is 4.3. So that is what I did there. That is the waistline there, that is the half length. So we start with the corset now. So what I'm doing now is the half length. The diagram is showing you, that is the nipple to nipple. So now we start with the middle side of it. That is what I did on that middle, that the center is 0.5, or you call it an inch, half inch. From that your half inch to under your bust. So that is the line there, to under your bust. So on that center line that we have 3.5, we now have the the dot to dot. What I did there is 1.1 point, that is 1 inch. So after having that connection, you connect from the waist to the underbust, from the underbust to the nipple point. So that's what I'm pointing out for you to see. That is the nipple point there. So you've gotten that one now. So the next step is you now start with that middle side of it. So what I'm doing now, I'm just connecting it to the nipple. From that center, I connect it to the nipple. So I'm just trying to point it out for you. So on that middle point too, to get the other side of it, what I'm marking there is 4. So you mark 4. From there to your underbust is what you will mark. From the upper side to the underbust is what you will mark. So that is what I've done there. So I've gotten the marking there already. So I'm just trying to show you how you connect it to the nipple point. So we've connected it for the nipple point there. So to get the other side of it, because we are just doing it as if you are doing corset, corset. So I'm marking from there 1 point, and the other side is half point, that is half inch. So that is what I've connected it. Can you see it? From there to there is half, from there to there is quarter. So I've done it, everything is done there. So don't forget, we are doing a corset with up shoulder. So just for you to connect it now. Now we'll start with the measurement because everything about the corset is done now. So what I'm trying to point out for you there is the the dart, because don't forget you restore the dart back. If you don't do that, that means you are shorting the measurement. Now under bust is 29, so you divide 29 by 4. After having your 29, you add that your 2 inch that you already did on your dart. That's what I'm pointing out for you. Now is the waist. That is the waist. So after having the waist measurement, you remember to add that your dart to it. Don't forget to do that so that you get everything right. So now we've done that, including the bust also. So what you will do is just for you to connect from the waist to your under bust, from the under bust to your bust. So we're done with the measurement now. So everything of this concept that you are seeing is done. So what we are going to do now is just for you to cut out. So I'm still trying to explain for you how it will go. So this is how to cut your corset with up shoulder. When cutting it, remember to remove your shoulder side of it, that is the sleeve. So please don't forget to subscribe, watch my video, make a comment. So now we are cutting the body now, that is the pattern, because the measurement of the body is already done. So can you see the way we are doing it, cutting it out? So now I'm starting with the half side of it. That one you are seeing now is the center of the corset. So by the time we finish doing it, you will see what I'm showing and telling you, that is the center one. So now you cut it gently, cutting it and cut it out to your ½ inch that we have there. So that is the ½ inch. So that one now that you are seeing is the center side. So this other one that we are cutting now is the side of the corset. That is the side of the corset that we are cutting out now. The first one that we just cut is the middle side of it. So that is it. So don't forget that my next video will do this pattern with the material. So just this one is just the pattern drafting now that we are showing you. So this is how we've gotten the concept. This is the actual concept that we are trying to bring out to show you. So we have done with the corset, that is the front side of it. Now just for us to lay it to the other side of the pattern and use it to cut the back side. So that is it. So I'm cutting the back side of it now, just to lay it. There's no need of doing a ceremony of doing measurement, just for you to lay it. And there's no need to do this zip side of it. I not put zip side of it because the later side of it, that is the next video that I will do or I will make, is the corset pattern I will use to cut it, because it will have a loop rope on it. So don't forget, that is why I did not put that zip allowance on this pattern that you are just seeing that we are doing now. So I'm just trying to tell you what we are doing here, that is, there's no zip on it, because we have a loop rope on the actual material that we are going to do on our next video. So that is the back side of it. Don't forget to subscribe, watch the video, make a comment. The one that you don't understand, just make a comment and ask a question. Your question will be answered. So that is what we are doing here now. That is the back side of it. So after I finish cutting the back side, you will see how it will look like. So we are trying to mark the dart of it. So by the time we mark the dart side of it, we will now cut away the dart out, and you can also sew it out too. So we're done with the back. So can you see the back now? So it's up shoulder corset that we are making. Don't forget that when do your corset with up shoulder, what will you do? You start with the measurement by removing your your tape rule, that is to get your shoulder. That's why you can see it the way it is like this. So we are not doing shoulder cutting or whatever. Is what we are doing here is up shoulder corset. So we are just doing this corset as if we are doing a corset, a bustier. That's why you can see it goes like this. So we are not doing that up shoulder cutting now. In that shoulder cutting, we also do it for you to see, but this one that we are doing actually is up shoulder bustier that we are doing, corset that we are doing now. So this is the dark side I'm just taking out. So that's how you will do it when you are sewing on your fabric. So we have taken away the doubt, and later we'll sew it out and you see. So please, this is the middle side I want to cut out, because I told you that we'll cut the middle side of it. So now I want to cut that center side of it and also cut out the dots. So thank you for watching this video. Comment, subscribe. So now I'm trying to cut that middle side of it that I'm telling you. This actual one that you are seeing now is the middle. Yes, that very one. So now we are cutting out the dots. So this other side that you are still seeing is the side of it. So can you see now? So by the time we place the first one that we cut, those exactly this one, so it will form the corset that we are talking about. So thank you. I love you. Bye bye.